2025 Tata Safari is here, and it brings a perfect blend of modern design, advanced technology, and rugged performance. As one of India's most iconic SUVs, the Safari continues its legacy while embracing the future with enhanced features, improved safety, and a more refined driving experience. Exterior design. The new Tata Safari boasts a more commanding presence on the road. With a redesigned front grille, sleek LED headlamps, and a sportier bumper, it exudes confidence and sophistication. The larger alloy wheels and sharp body lines enhance its bold look, while the signature split DRLs add a futuristic touch. The rear has also been updated with new LED taillights, a stylish roof spoiler, and a refreshed tailgate design. Interior and luxury. The 2025 Safari greets you with a premium and spacious cabin. The plush leather upholstery, panoramic sunroof, and ambient lighting create an upscale environment. The redesigned dashboard now features a larger touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Ventilated seats, a 10-speaker JBL sound system, and a new digital instrument cluster add to the luxury. Technology and connectivity. Tata has packed the new Safari with cutting-edge technology. The upgraded infotainment system offers connected car features, voice commands, and over-the-air updates. A 360-degree camera, blind spot monitoring, and an advanced driver assistance system (ADAS) ensure a safer and more convenient driving experience. Wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and a premium air purifier make long journeys comfortable. Engine and performance. The 2025 Tata Safari retains its reliable 2.0L Cryotech diesel engine, delivering around 170 HP and 350 Nm of torque. The engine is available with both a 6-speed manual and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Tata might also introduce a petrol hybrid variant to meet evolving emission norms and cater to a wider audience. The suspension setup has been fine-tuned for better ride quality, and the multi-terrain drive modes enhance its off-road capabilities. Safety features. Safety remains a top priority for Tata Motors, and the new Safari is no exception. The SUV comes with 6 airbags, electronic stability control, traction control, ABS with EBD, and hill hold assist. The addition of ADAS features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and autonomous emergency braking further strengthens its safety credentials. Pricing and competition. The 2025 Tata Safari is expected to be priced between 16 Indian rupees lakh and 26 Indian rupees lakh, depending on the variant. It competes with the Mahindra XUV 700, MG Hector Plus, and Hyundai Alcazar. However, with its premium feel, robust performance, and new-age technology, the Safari stands out as a strong contender in the segment. Conclusion. With a fresh design, advanced technology, and enhanced safety, the 2025 Tata Safari is ready to take on the modern SUV landscape. Whether you seek adventure or luxury, this SUV promises to deliver.